Okay, there are boxes. Mommy Italian.
Who is this? Oh, that's
Mommy, let's open. Let's open all the gifts
for us. That turbine that's breakable. This is mine.
Okay, next.
Okay, ate, oh, ate.
Okay, small one is this.
Keyboard. Ito sa amin eh. No, that's Eli's. This is mine.
Other gift.
The other gift.
There's MJ.
It's mine. That's mine.
Where's the?
What's
No,
this?
it's okay. That's your exchange gift. I know that's Daddy's.
I wanna open it.
Let's see.
This is the your exchange gift, Brian. When This
What
is
is
here.
this?
I put it there.
Oh my god!
You give this. Oh, this is for
My
yours.
favorite.
You give it to her.
This is my favorite.
Give it.
What's the matter? So how do you even win against players who literally can't die? The oldest trick in the book. Leave the game.
Brian.
What if you not up and watch my Squid Game? From the beginning, see me breaking the rules.
Oh my god!
Kanino galing yan? Bibili.
Sino bigay nito?
So how do you win against players who literally can't die? Use the oldest trick in the book and make them leave the game. What if you
Hindi ko
not
yan.
watch Squid Game? See people breaking the
Basta
rules.
pa ako galing.
Anda, daw mamaya na daw pag-video.
Hoy, nabukas ko.
Kanino galing?
Ate, basahin mo nga.
Galing kay Tito Bagbang, kanina kay Brian at kay Ading Lucy.
Oh, thank you, God. Your birthday,
Okay, guys.
kanino yan? Ano yan?
What if Squid Game was played by animals?
Dalawa lang.
Some animals will take advantage while others will
Just
also see some
two.
animals who are already while others you don't see at all. But
Yes!
has its ups and downs. Games like tug of war and
What?
What did you get?
but during games like Clash of Bridge, the element must
Come on!
like some animals will have to take advantage.
Look.
Also see some animals
Wow,
who are
gift.
Dustin.
while others you don't
Just
see at
them
all.
look peaceful like me.
Okay, next is this.
Mommy.
Let's go. Oh, early ball.
Wait, can you open it?
Squid Game was played by animals.
Althea.
Wow!
Ninong cute. Kanino galing yung Hello Kitty bag? Kanino galing yung drawing?
But during games like Clash of Clans,
Mabasa niya mo?
Nabasa niya kay Ate Ellen.
Thank you for the morning.
Ayan. Where's your air bags? Don't stutter that.
being big or small has its ups and downs.
Yeah.
In games like
Wow!
But during games like Last Bridge, the elephant must confront a room and save. What if Squid Game were played by animals? Like some animals will have the advantage while others. We also see some animals who are already doomed to lose, while others who don't see at all. Being big or small has its ups and downs, because in games like Tug of War, the smaller ones must confront the elephant in the room. But during games like Class, what if Squid Game players weren't allowed to sleep at all? Every time someone's eyes closed, a guard would smack them awake with a
Okay ka lang.
After 24 hours, reaction time and coordination
Ah, Mommy, I cannot blow. I can't blow.
rises by 48%.
Blue.
will force itself to sleep if you don't get it together.
Kailangan ng blue yun eh.
After 100
Hindi na water na niya ate.
shutting down and thinking
Station?
what if squeaky was a firstly, they won't be scared at all. They're reporting it to child safety. Walks to the finish line. During Dalgona,
Yo.
Uy, bala ka. Ma! 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 Ma!
Ah, skinny toilet.
Wow, nagising. Oo, kunin ni Brian. Ala na, basag na.
Blog, blog.
Kunin ni Brian. Kunin ni Sarah.
We got it! Yo! Cameraman!
Ryan, do you put your money?
Okay na! Okay lang!
It's not gonna deflate. Go down. Hindi naman yan sa'yo. Di ba? Wait. Let's the big one. Give it.
Let's open the big one! Let's open the jumbo one! Open here, bro. Okay. You wanna finish it now? Mama, you want it?
Lagay mo na yung bag mo doon, yung pera mo sa bag mo.
Inang pagkabot to yan.
Ooh! So big! Big gift!
Ay, hindi natin na ulit. Grabe mo na.
Wow!
Ito po nila.
It's a gift! Big gift!
Help me!
Ooh! Kuya Bryce, so happy!
Please! Open it!
Yes, okay, I will open. Okay. Okay, open. We will open.
Where is it?
Okay lang yan.
Where is it? Oh no! So where is it? No, 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 no. Where is it? Oh my god, where's the figurine? Where's the figurine?
Hey, hang on. Oh, Kuya Brian, please.
Let's build it.
Yeah. So, ilayo mo yan, ilayo mo. Ilayo mo yun. Huwag ka magkano, kunin mo yun. Bigay mo sa kanya. Baka ano, mag-ano-ano. Daddy. Yun.
Isang ni naman.
Ilayo mo yan para hindi magkahalo-halo. Ilayo mo. Naku, ang dami nito. Ilayo mo na yung dami. Ang dami. Naku, patay tayo.
Tomorrow na yan. Tomorrow na.
Baka maghalo-halo.
Tomorrow na yan. Kasi mula din tomorrow, Bryce.
Yes.
May instruction mo. Tomorrow na yan, Bryce. Brian.
Maghalo-halo. Mamor.
Tomorrow.
Okay. Patay tayo. Iwalay mo ah. Lahat to sa kanya. Lahat to sa kanya.
But here's instruction.
Hindi, huwag mo na yan. Oh, yeah. Instruction, okay.
Tomorrow na Brian na yan. Gusto mo mabahubuhin
We'll do it later.
Sa ganyan.
We'll do it later, I promise.
Wala na yan ha.
Patay. It's a puzzle.
Go back here. Go back here.
It's a puzzle. It's a big puzzle. Okay. It's a big puzzle.
No.
Patay tayo. Pag-interesan niya kaya yata. Pag-interesan niya kaya yata. Sa dami. At na-challenge siya rito.
May isa dyan eh. Brian na tomorrow na yan. Try. Listening. Tomorrow, we're gonna buy battery for that part. Di battery yan eh.
Gagalaw. Gagalaw din.
I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna put it
Ito
back.
kaya ano to?
Kung saan magkaano po.
I'm gonna put it back.
Yeah, sige. Calculate back na raw yung muna.
Oh. Oh.
Ipuput back lang.
Bakit? Put it back. Tomorrow, you will assemble. Go. Tomorrow, you will assemble, ha? Okay.
Ayan na pala, may Hello Kitty ka na pala eh.
You need to 1 day to assemble that.
Ayun.
1 day to assemble. Okay? 1 day to assemble that. A big puzzle dyan, Kuya Brian. Brian.
900 lahat.
A big... Oops! Saan yung pera? Wow!
Kasi na palaro mo siya.
May pera ka pa?
Where's the marble?
Ay, nainanap ka nga lang. Kasi na yung palaro mo.
One buck!
Ay, naku, inay. Mamaya, ayun ka.
Tama na ka. Maroro ka. Sige, sige. Ito. Sige, po. Wait, sige. Po. Ito. Okay, ito. Pupukan mo. Po. Ganon.
No!
It's okay, anak. It's okay. Tomorrow we're gonna fix that. Hindi magagalit.
May blood na siya.
Daddy, I do.
Tomorrow we're gonna fix that.
Hindi, kayo yun.
Mommy,
What battery is for